Hello guys, and this is going to be a really short video on motherboard. This is the fourth component of a computer. Now, we have a power supply. It is kind of flex. Sorry for the funny things that I've done right now. So we have a HDMI port, graphics card input, CPU slot, two RAM slots, and SSD slot. This, I don't know what this is. Now, this is the most expensive computer component till now in my knowledge. Okay. Here's a secret about my channel. I am going to be updating my channel to some playlists, so you guys can always check out our playlists on Paper PC. Here we are. We have done this. The price is $12,000 and 1,60,000 rupees, a whopping 20k European dollars. So that's it for today, guys. Meet you in the next video. Bye.